What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to Moonville Garage, and today we're going from this to this. That's right, we're installing LED headlights on the 2017 Dodge Charger RT. So let's roll that intro and let's get to it. Alright, so I know this isn't the best view. There's really no place really to get a good view of it where my big head wouldn't be taking up the whole frame while I'm looking in here trying to get this thing done. So, but if you come in here, right here there's a cover. Just unscrews. Comes right off. There are lights behind that. All this is just a dust cover, I guess, it's got an O-ring around it. Keeps all the dust and water out inside your headlight. Then you come right down here, really just turn the bulb. There's 3 tabs on these bulbs. You have to line up. Connector's not a good spot on this one. There we go. And you just unplug the bulb. Hit the new one. Only goes on one way. There's a little locking clip on there. Hear it click. It's in. Back in there, find your alignment pins. That's it, she's done. Cover goes back on, and that's it. That's simple. The only thing I forgot to mention is I would turn my headlights on before I go and reinstall this cover. Just not that the cover is difficult to get off, but I'd hate that. For me, I'd be frustrated. Put the cover on, turn the lights on, lights don't work. So test them, make sure you're good, and then go ahead and reinstall your cover. Alright, so there you have it. Down and dirty, quick and easy. LED headlight installation. Took me at tops with recording half an hour. I mean, super simple. I'm going to go out tonight. I've already gotten some video recorded the other night, driving home from work with the halogens installed. So I'll go out tonight. I'll get some video with the LEDs. And I'll hopefully get this video up tomorrow. Keep watching. That before and after comparison will be right at the end of this video. So hit the subscribe, hit the bell button so you get notified when new videos get uploaded. And thanks for watching, and come on by anytime. See y'all later. Alright, here are the 2 comparison videos. LED on the left, halogen on the right. As you can see, there's a huge difference. The halogens are actually a lot brighter and push out a lot further down the highway. I actually felt really unsafe driving with these LED headlights in here last night, and I almost missed the road where I could turn around at. So yeah, these are going to be coming out, and I'll be sending these back, and I may try another manufacturer, but I'm really not sold on LEDs.